Good afternoon. It's day 4 of our Symphony of the Seas Caribbean cruise. And it's around 12:30 p.m. We just had our lunch. And right now, my little toddler is having fun in the water park. I'm gonna give you a short tour around the cruise. And I just want to show you guys that they actually let me check in my Phantom 4 DJI drone. So I'm going to deck 16. I'm currently, our stateroom here is at deck 10. Going up. While I'm waiting for the elevator, I'm just gonna show you around. That's deck 9 down there. And here's the elevator going up.
Deck 50. Going up.
I'm going to deck 16.
Going down.
Oh, wrong way.
Yeah, actually, I'll talk to boss and then we sort out this.
There's another set of elevators here. We're gonna make an exit here. So we're here at the beautiful Costa Maya, Mexico. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you my phone. Where is it? Alright guys, there it is. Hi, we just got out of our ship and it's around 1:45 p.m. ship time, and we're here to explore the beautiful Costa Maya, Mexico. But I'm gonna show you around, but look at our ship, it's so massive. That's the Symphony of the Seas, the biggest luxury cruise ship in the whole world. And as you could see, compared to the other cruise ships, the other cruise ships look so small because our ship is so massive. But anyway, I'm gonna show you around Costa Maya, Mexico. that?
No, no, it's scary.
Oh, scary skulls. Oh well, scary for me.
17, take you 17.
Estoy cediendo o sea, cediendo si tú haces eso.
Muy bueno.
We're going back to the ship now. Good morning. We just docked here in Cozumel, Mexico. This is the day 5 of our Royal Caribbean cruise aboard the Symphony of the Seas, the biggest cruise ship in the whole world. So we got a land tour, and it's like an all-inclusive resort with the water park for my toddler. So we're going there to the resort now, and here's the ship. Ethan? Ethan? What happened to your balloon? It popped? Oh no. We're getting a taxi to get to the resort. We're on the way to Allegro Beach Resort. You're excited? Ethan, are you excited to swim? Okay. Wait,
Mommy, a playground.
there's a playground there?
Oh. There is a pirate.
Yep, I told you there's a pirate. We have to wait for Daddy, Ethan.
I have to stay there.
Oh, come on, let's go check out the playground. Good morning. Wow, there you go. Pirate. We have to wait for Daddy, Ethan.
Red flower.
Hi, baby. Hi. Are you having fun? Huh? Are you having fun? Yay! Let him use the other slide. So they have a kids club here. And there's a bigger pool.
Desde el día aquí en el agua, aquí en la alberca. Remember guys, our next activity gonna be right here exactly at 12 o'clock. We're here in the pool with the aerobics. We got the water aerobics. Tenemos nuestros aerobics acuáticos. Y ya lo saben, usted quiere acompañarnos, no se pare bien. Y nos vemos en solamente 15 minutitos más del agua. You guys want to do to get ready. And we'll see you all in 15 minutes.
Wow, nice beach. Fine sand. Blue waters. This is a very nice white sand beach. Very fine sand. Blue waters. Not too much tourists. We're going to have a quick tea. Ethan! Say hi to Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, babe.
What's that, Ethan?
Airplane.
So, Daddy bought you an airplane?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I want that one.
That's only for Halloween. We're going back to the ship now. Ethan, what did Daddy buy for you? What's that? Oh, you got a dolphin? What's this? You want a sandwich? I'll feed you, baby. I'll feed you. What do you want? This one or this one? That's salad. That's onion. Okay, wash your hands. Before we go to the room, you have to wash your hands.
Working and working. Here you go.
Wait, wait. Okay, open the door for me. Thank you.
So